Imagine yourself in this Ford 2016 Fiesta SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are stability control, driver information system, hill ascent assist, multi-function display, impact sensor post-collision safety system, sync, satellite communications, airbags, front, dual, air conditioning, front, single zone and air conditioning, front. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.